Our next topic is levels of software testing. Guys, what do you understand by levels?
Steps, maybe life
Life
cycle.
cycle.
Not life cycle is not a correct word, but yeah, steps can be a correct word. Anyone else?
Stages of software.
Ah, yeah, stages is also a correct word. Anyone else? Guys, I just don't want two or three people to interact with me. I want every one of you to interact with me, talk with me, learn with me. Okay, might be there is something that I can learn from you. So please be interactive in the class. I have said it many times. Even if I ask someone, you guys are just keeping yourself on mute and not answering. That's not a good thing, guys. Just imagine one thing. You aren't able to interact with me. How will you be able to interact with the interviewer? Okay, guys, this is very important. There is no loss for me in this. Okay, this is only your loss if you wouldn't want be interacting with me. Okay, I want every one of you interact with me, guys. I am not going to eat you. Okay, I'm not going to eat you. I'm not going to humiliate you. I'm not going to make you embarrassed in front of the class. Okay, I just want every one of you to interact. What can happen max to max? You might be wrong. You might be giving wrong answers. There are many people giving wrong answers, right? But still they are answering. So I would again emphasize on the power of interacting with me. Only then you will be able to be in a good communication stage. Okay. So okay, guys. Uh, I hope this would make a effect on your mind and you guys will start interacting with me in the class. Okay. So okay, guys. Just imagine that you are building a house. What's the first thing you gonna do? What's the first thing you gonna do?
Planning,
Planning.
planning.
And not planning, level wise, tell me level wise. We are just think that we have started building, we have done planning and all. Now what's the first step you're gonna do?
Foundation, building a foundation, sir.
Foundation. Find
Mm,
find
yeah,
a
building a
place where
foundation,
you
building
want
a
to
foundation, or bringing a bricks, putting the bricks. Okay, putting the bricks,
Yes, yes.
or making, or just starting with one room, then combining two rooms, then combining all the rooms, and then combining the whole house. Do you understood what I just said? Making first room, then making the second room.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, making first room, then making the washroom and wash combining the washroom with that room, and then building the complete house which has all the rooms associated with it. Do you guys just have an idea?
Yes, sir. We are creating modules,
Yeah,
and
you
then
are you
we
are you are somewhat right. You are somewhat right. Use the right word, module. Okay, just imagine that a room is the smallest part of the house. Okay, a single room is the smallest part of the house. Okay, then a room also has a washroom. Okay, then the room also has a washroom, and the same room has a door to the next room. Okay, the same room has a door to the next room. Okay, you combine two rooms together which have a common washroom. Okay, okay, now just imagine going inside the house, going inside the house, going in the first room, going to the washroom, coming back, and going to the second room. You completed a flow. Okay, you completed a flow. All right. Now there are four rooms, and that's a complete house. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood the house structure. Okay. Now with this example, with this, I guess this was very good example. Now with this example, you're gonna feel very simple what are levels of software testing. Okay. Okay, guys. So now let's discuss levels of software testing. Okay. Okay, guys. You guys are able to see my screen, right? Let me do it more. Okay, that's
Yes, yes.
okay. So the first thing we do in a testing process is unit testing. Okay, that's very first level of testing. Okay, that's very first level of testing, and that's usually done by developers or automation testers. Okay, what's unit testing? Testing a individual piece of code or a testing an individual component. Just give me a minute. uh, just let this page load. Okay, see, this is a Google page. Okay, this is a Google page, and if in this Google page, if I tell you, you have to test this search bar is a individual component of this page. All right, this search bar is an individual component of this page. Okay, if I say you to just test only this search bar, okay, then this will be a single piece testing. This is called unit testing. Okay, okay, all right, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. And if I give more technical example, suppose there is a calculator code. Okay, there is a calculator code, then I will write a automation test case and will give some input and give some assertions. Okay, guys, let's leave it. That's not of manual testing use. Okay, so and usually it's not, no one will ask you in a manual testing interview question. Okay, okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this unit testing. Okay, guys. And now, guys, do you remember that single room has a washroom combined in it? Remember? Give me a thumbs up if you remember. Okay, let's now understand with this, like, more importantly. Okay, now if I talk, this is the search bar. This is the search bar, and this is a mic. Okay, I have to test the search bar and mic together. Okay, so usually what's the functionality? Whatever I will speak in the mic will be populated in the search bar, right, guys? Right, am I right? Okay, I'm not going to do it right now here since we are on a recording. Okay, this will interrupt recording. Okay, so do you understand this? To test two components together, two or more, this can be more. Okay, if I add on this camera feature also, if I add on this scanning feature also, so this will be same. We are just combining more and more features together. When we are combining one or more features together, that's called to test. That's called integration testing. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, guys, just one more thing in unit testing. JUnit and NUnit are something, few tools that are used in automation testing only and used for unit testing. Okay. Okay, guys, there are two approaches in integration testing. One is Big Bang. You, as the name suggests, Big Bang. Combine all the modules together. Combine all the modules together and test them together. Okay, test them all together. Okay, that will be a Big Bang approach. And the another approach is integrate the module step by step. First of all, check the integration of mic and search bar, then add on the scanner button. Okay, scanner feature, like this. Okay, so keep adding on features. Okay, this would be integration testing. I mean incremental integration testing. Okay, this has top down and bottom up. You need not to learn go into too much detail. Okay, so okay, this is basically related to coding only, top down and bottom up approach. Okay, okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understand Big Bang approach and incremental approach. Okay, 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 okay. System testing. Okay, okay, guys. Now, do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Who's this? Yeah, so late in the class. Okay, guys, so do you now remember going inside the one room, going inside one room, then going to washroom, then coming back and going into the second room through the first room door? Do you remember this? Give me a thumbs up if you remember this example. Is this a complete flow? Is this a complete flow, right? This is a complete flow. Give me a thumbs up if you understood this. I want a thumbs up from everyone. Okay, guys, all right. So, what is the complete flow of the search bar? I will type in here what's the business flow. Okay, what's the flow of business? What will be the flow for end user? Okay, suppose if I am the user of Google, flow for me will be I will be coming to google.com and I will be typing in something here and will press enter, and this will redirect me to a result page, right? Give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Let me test this also. Okay, so I will just search Nikhil. Okay, and I will have hit enter. As soon as I hit enter, this will redirect me to this will redirect me to Google result page, right? Where I can see all images. Oh, that's me only. Images, videos, news, shopping, all everything about there is everything about the keywords I searched. All right, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood what's system testing. So system testing is testing the entire application as the whole against requirements. What are the requirements? Requirements received from the clients. Okay, requirement received from the client, that are called business requirements. So we will be testing against the requirements. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay, guys, also this comes under we perform functional performance and security testing under these. Don't worry, we will be studying about all these. Right, for right now, just think that these are the focus areas. Okay. Okay, guys, user acceptance testing. This is just done before the release of the software, before the deployment. Matlab, okay, before the deployment, and this is done to finalize that there is no major defect in the software. Okay, this is done as a whole. We perform end-to-end testing only here also, and we there are two type of testing. Okay, alpha testing. Alpha testing is usually done by internal teams. Okay, internal team of the company. And when it's beta testing, have you guys seen in Play Store that for some app there is written that this is a beta version of the app? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you have seen this on Play
Yes,
Store.
sir.
Yes, sir. I have also.
There is a beta version written there. Beta version is for beta testing, that is done by real users in real environment. That beta testing means the product is still in testing phase, hasn't released completely, but there is a testing version release for the users, so users can use it, test it, and give feedback. Okay, and on the feedback and the basis of feedback there will be improvements. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. I guess I have spent 14 to 15 minutes on this topic. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood the levels of software testing. मजा आया एग्जाम्पल के साथ? Do you guys enjoy with example? And I actually did it in practical too. Okay, guys, so give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys, although we have already read this in details. Okay, we have already read this in details. We have done examples for unit testing, integration testing, and system testing, and about UAT also. Okay, so let me see if there are any extra details. Okay, okay, we can go through the benefits. Okay, so unit testing is done as soon as codes are written. Okay, so the advantages and benefits are we will be catching the bugs early. The product is still in coding stage and we will be catching the bugs. Okay, facilitates changes with the confidence. Okay, guys, whenever there will be any changes, the set of unit tests will run automatically. The set of unit tests will run automatically and detect if there is any bug in the code. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this, if you understood the advantages. Okay, okay. What are the challenges in integration testing? Data flow between modules. Okay, data flow between modules. See, this is a bit complicated. Let me explain you this. Okay. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, guys, the screen still shared? Do you guys see a calendar or do you guys see a
Yes, sir.
whiteboard?
Calendar is busy.
Okay, okay, okay. Guys, give me a minute. Let me switch the screen, okay? Okay, guys. Now you guys, I guess, are seeing the whiteboard. Guys, please, can someone please say
Yes,
yes?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay, guys, okay. Okay, I will explain it. Just allow me a second. Let me open my stylus. Okay, where is my stylus? Okay, guys, give me a minute, please. Here it is. Okay, guys, just imagine that we are testing a software application. Okay, 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 okay. Just a second, guys. Okay, so just imagine that we are testing a software application. Okay, so we are testing a e-commerce application. Okay, we are testing a e-commerce application. Guys, you see my whiteboard, right?
Yes, sir, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay, okay. So just imagine we are testing a e-commerce application, and you have four products here: P1, P2, P3, and P4. Okay, every product has some different price. Okay, and let this be 60. Okay, you add to cart P1, P3, and P4. Okay, you add to cart P1, P3, and P4. Now you move to checkout page. Okay, this was the product display. Okay, this was product display. Okay, this was basically product display. Now this is the checkout page. Okay, this is checkout page. Okay, so now P1, P3, P4 was added to the cart. So checkout page should display total as 10 plus 40 plus 60, which is 110. Now this will be only possible if the correct data flow happens between the correct data flows between both of the page. Right, guys? Am I right? Give me a thumbs. Please. Okay, let me just come back. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood understood this thing. Okay, okay, okay. This will only happen when the correct data flow will flow from product display page to checkout page. Okay. Now I am giving you one more example. Just suppose that there is a logo of Amazon here. Okay, okay, and you guys are seeing that this Amazon logo is bit misplaced on the checkout page. So these kind of challenges, these kind of issues you will be usually finding, okay, during the integration testing. Okay guys, do you understood? Do you understood guys? These kind of issues you will be usually finding. Okay. Okay guys, so I'll be coming back to same screen now. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, let me bring it to my screen here. Okay. Okay guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood this, what I just explained. Okay guys, okay. Cool. That's cool that you understood this thing. This was not very hard to understood actually. Okay, and nothing extra in system testing. Okay, UAT testing has some benefit. Okay, this ensure that the software is ready for real world use. Since guys, what we actually do in UAT, we create an environment which looks like exactly like the real environment, but that's not the real environment. That's a copy of real environment. Okay, so this is how we ensure that the software is ready for real world use. Okay, give me a thumbs up guys if you understood this. You remember we do beta testing. So beta testing is actually done by external users, but the application project or product is still in the testing stage. So that's how a real world environment was replicated. Okay, and this also built confidence in clients. Okay, UAT also built confidence in the clients. Okay guys, so I guess that's all for today's lecture. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you understood each and everything in today's lecture. Okay, so guys,